In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign admin roles in Google Admin Console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to grant the right level of access to a user using either predefined roles or a custom role, all while keeping your workspace secure. You'll need to be signed into the admin console with enough permission to assign roles, ideally as a super admin or an admin who has role management privileges. Start by opening the admin console in your browser and signing in. On the homepage, look to the left-hand navigation and open Directory. This is where user management lives in Google Workspace. From there, choose Users. You'll see a list of everyone in your organization along with their status. If your list is long, use the filter option to narrow things down. You can filter by organizational unit, user status, or other attributes to quickly find the person you want to update. Once you've located the correct user, open their profile to view their details. On the user's page, find and select admin roles and privileges. This section is your control center for who can do what inside your Google Workspace. It shows which roles are currently assigned and gives you access to assign new ones. From here, you can use predefined roles or create a custom role if you need something more tailored. If you choose to create a custom role, you'll define the role name so it's easy to recognize later, then select only the specific privileges that role should include. This is helpful when you want someone to manage a particular area, like groups or users, without granting broader access. Next, look for the Assign State controls. You can toggle a role on or off for this user and then choose the specific role from the list. The admin console provides many built-in options, including Super Admin, Groups Admin, User Management Admin, and more. Pick the one that matches the responsibility you want to delegate. Always follow the principle of least privilege. Give the minimum access needed to do the job, to reduce risk. After you make your selections, confirm the changes as prompted in the panel. The assigned state will reflect the new role for that user. Changes typically take effect shortly. Keep an eye on who has powerful roles like Super Admin, and consider using custom roles for fine-grained control. That's it. You've navigated to users, opened to users' details, and assigned the appropriate admin roles and privileges confidently and safely.